Oh, look at these little cuties. They're just messing around. Now, let's see what this. I don't know what this called. It's kind of like a chicken. I mean, like a duck here. Yes. So here it is. I know it only in Khmer language, but I don't know in English language. My dad put this because it can fly. Yes, really. It can fly out of it. So we close this. And look at this baby! Duck-like thingy here. I think they're just scared of me. Come on, touch my camera. Come on. Well, it's so fun getting these little babies. I think just leave them alone. And look at this chicken. What are these? Oh my god. We can't close the cage. It's for them. Feed them. Oh wait! Get out of there! I'm gonna go and